Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change wallpaper on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. First of all, you have to right-click the desktop, more specifically some empty space of your desktop, and select Personalize. Then you have to go to Background, and here expand the list of available background options. So the first option on the list is Picture, which lets you choose a picture for your background. You can choose one of the recent images here. And if you don't like any of these, you can also use your own photo by clicking Browse Photos and selecting a photo from your File Explorer. And at the very bottom, we have an option that lets us choose a fit for the desktop image. The second option is Solid Color, which lets us use one color as a background. And if you don't like the standard colors, you can go to Custom Ones and select the color from here. Click Done. And this following option is a slideshow option, which lets us use an entire album full of photos to change on our desktop background from time to time. To select a folder, you have to click Browse right here and select a folder with images from your File Explorer. Then you can also change the frequency of pictures changing by changing this value. You can also shuffle or unshuffle the picture order. And you can also let the slideshow run even if your laptop works on battery power, or forbid this feature. And at the bottom we also have the fit settings. And the last option we have is Windows Spotlight, which will automatically put a different background photo. Usually once you start using your laptop, the amount of these photos is limited to like 4 or 5 different photos, and over the time it will expand and you will get more different backgrounds for your laptop, which will automatically change from time to time. And you can also learn more about this picture you see in front of you by clicking on the respective icon on your screen. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.